guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is an unboxing video from Keith Davies. Sent in the package, very kind, lovely donation. I appreciate it very much. Thank you very much, Keith. And we'll just get straight into it. So in the package there is some lovely cars and a couple of cans of spray paint, as you can see, different colours. We had silvers, blues and a couple of reds, I think, which will come in very handy. So thank you again, Keith, that was fantastic. So these are going to come into use very soon. So we'll just quickly go through. I knew it was good quality paint as well, high coat. I like using high coats, good paints. So there we are, lovely. 5 cans there, very useful, thank you, buddy. So let's move on. So just lay a few out here, I'll show you them as I unwrap them. So the first one that we're going to open here now is an absolutely fantastic model. It's the Austin Healey, made by Corgi, in a gorgeous metallic blue. And what a model this is. It's absolutely mint. I'm not even going to touch this one, I'm just going to put it straight into my display. Absolutely gorgeous car. It rolls brilliant, it's really smooth. Gorgeous little model. Look at that beauty, look at the detail. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. There's a little suspension on it, all works lovely. So we just place that there just so we can admire it as we unbox a few more. So the next one again from Corgi, it's a Whiz Wheels and it's the John Player Special Formula 1 car. And I've been looking for one of these for ages, but the prices of them have been ridiculously high. So I've waited and waited, and just this come in the post and I was absolutely astonished. So again, cheers, Keith. Made my day when I opened this, buddy. I can't wait to restore this. So I'm going to do it justice, and I'm not going to really muck things up. I'm going to replace parts on this, so I've ordered a few bits and bobs for this. So this will be in a video very soon, so keep your eye out for that one. Made up with that model, love it. The next one, it's a Corgi car again, and it is the Amc Pacer. Now I've got a small one of these, the Corgi Juniors, I'm sure I have. So when I do this one, I think I'll do the smaller as little baby brother at the same time. And make a nice little video of the two. But again, this is absolutely perfect model. A little bit play worn. Nice little restoration job, this one. So yeah, this should be a nice little build as well. Can't wait to do that one. Now this one. Look at this little beauty. The Batman boat. I don't know the correct term for this, so I might butcher it a little bit. I think it's the Glastron Bat boat, if I'm correct, and it's by Corgi. Apologies for you Batman fans if I get that wrong and I messed that up, but I think it's called the Glastron. If I'm wrong though, please feel free to put in the comments the correct term and I stand corrected. So we'll just move these back out the way because I don't want to get them damaged or clutch up the screen anyway, so I'll just put them out the way carefully. So I'll just bring out another little batch of 4. And the first one we've got in this batch is a chopper. And it is again from Corgi, and it's the Bell AH, either IG or 1G, I'm not too sure. And you can spin the rotors there, as you can see, with a little spinner, which works lovely and smooth, so that's great. And then the cockpit, I think it needs glass, maybe a couple of pilots, I'm not sure, I'll have to look up on this. I've never really done any aircraft restorations before, so this will be a good, interesting hobby to do this one. And I think There's a little mechanism underneath. I think it's a trigger of some sort, maybe a missile goes in there. Again, I'll have to look it up and double check it. But yeah, this one should be quite cool. Something different for me to do. And this car takes me right back to a kid who used to love these when I was younger. The Renault 5, again, corgi. So I might do this like a rally car. So this one will be a good little restoration as well. Look at that. Lovely, absolutely lovely. So yeah, that should be fun. Nice set of wheels on it, and maybe put a body kit on it. I'm not sure yet, but we'll see. Now, funny enough, I used to be a taxi driver and I used to own one of these taxis. So I'm going to do it like my old cab, which mine was like a navy blue. Wasn't as battered as this one is, like, but it's been loved, this. You can tell it's had a few miles on the clock. So yeah, I'm going to enjoy doing this one. So cheers, mate. And then the next one is absolutely stunning. I'm not going to touch this one again. It's going to go straight into my collection. Oh, yeah, sorry, yeah, I thought we were bringing something else out. I actually done one of these. I've got a video of me doing the Buick, the Buick Regal from Kojak. And mine was a bit battered. This one's in lovely condition, but mine was absolutely wrecked, and I had to like fabricate the gun and the arm for the little dude in the back. The only thing I can see wrong with this is the little police light's missing, but that's not a problem. But yeah, this one's fantastic. So if you want to see me restore one of these, just check out on the channel, you'll find the other video. But yeah, I'm just going to put this up. Even the little clicker for the dude at the back works for his gun. Brilliant. Love this model. Look at that, stunning. So again, I'll just move these out the way, stop them getting damaged. Now this is the next one I'm going to bring out, is what I got mixed up on previously. So I'll just pop it on the table here. And you'll see it now. Look at this one, it's absolutely perfect condition. So this one's going to go in my collection. Look at that one, gorgeous. These are so much fun to drive if you've never drove one. Honest to God, they are fantastic. You can turn them around on a sixpence. So yeah. Lovely, great model. And again, it's from Corgi, sorry. I think they're all Corgis that sent me, to be fair. Yeah, I think they are, yeah. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. And this one. Again, when I was younger, I used to have a Saturday job with my stepfather doing like shoe repairs. And we used to go to work in the boss's car all the time, and he had the 944 and it was silver. And when I seen this vehicle, it just reminded me of that. We used to bag the arse out of it, to be honest. we weren't rich or nothing like that, so to drive like a lovely car like this, it was like really rare. So we used to work till late, and on the way home, we used to like sort of get one up on the boss because he was a bit of a dickhead. So we used to go to KFC on the way home and like drive 20 miles eating the KFC bucket inside this brand new Porsche 944. Honestly, it was just felt naughty for 10 minutes, and it was just brilliant. So yeah, got our home back and away from him, making us work till like 10 p.m. in the night from like 8 a.m. in the morning, and he sat at home on his backside getting all the rewards. So yeah, and you can see here, I thought it was a crack, but it's not. It's actually the window wiper. But yeah, there's not a mark on this car. It's absolutely perfect. It's a stunning little car. Brilliant. Cheers, buddy. Just pop these away. Wrap them up a little bit, because I don't want to cause any damage to them. They're perfect as they are. Just wrap them up, put them back down there out the way. Let me bring out the last batch. And this first one, it's going to be a little bit of work on this. I'm probably just going to fabricate the parts for this, to be honest, because getting hold of them is a nightmare. And this is a Corgi, vintage Corgi MGTF. And it's missing the bonnet, which is like one of the split bonnets, like where they fold up from the sides. So I'm gonna have to sort of fabricate that, fix the engine and what have you. But it shouldn't be a problem really. It should be easy enough to do. As I say, it'd be easier to make them rather than like try and hunt them down and order them. And also the little luggage rack, picnic basket holder, whatever you want to call it, on the back, that needs repairing. Again, it's not an hard job, it's easy to do. And I think I'll just make this into a convertible rather than have like the hood on the top, not the hood, the roof on the top. I'll just sort of piece in the back there. Yeah, there's the broken little rack, but it's easy enough to fix. And then I've got to get the radiator for it, but it rolls well. And everything else is there, so that's going to be a good little one. And next one, I love these. Do you know what? The amount of Land Rovers I've got is ridiculous, and I just can't get enough of them. So yeah, I've got plans for this one. I've got a few of them. It's the 109-inch wheelbase Land Rover. Yeah, Range Rover, sorry. What is it, Land Rover? No, sorry, I'm right, it's Land Rover. My bad. So yeah, just got to replace the tyres on it and sort the glass is all there though, to be honest. There's no cracks in it. So it's got a little bit of a damage on the post there, which is easily fixed. It's not an issue. And the windows in the back there, it's perfect. Usually they get smashed in, but that one's all there, it's great. So yeah, toe hooks, a little bit bent, but we can fix that. It's not even an issue, to be honest. So yeah, new wheel on the front there, would be good. And last but not least, we have another Land Rover, again the 109-inch wheelbase from Corgi, and this one's absolutely perfect. Look at that, there's not a mark on it. Absolutely mint. It's the Whiz Wheels one, absolutely lovely. So again, this one's going to go straight on the shelf with the others that I've already done. It's perfect. Beautiful models. So yeah, little toe hook on the back. All the windows perfect, the wheels are on. To tell you, it's stunning. So Keith, you are an absolute diamond, mate, Keith Davies. What a lovely package to send someone. Honest to God, dude, I can't even say how much I appreciate you for doing this for me. It'll help the channel so much and help me to create a little bit more content for you guys, which hopefully you can enjoy watching me do them. So I'll just lay them all out here now so you can appreciate what this kind gentleman sent me. And if anybody else, not like putting it out there for you to do anything, but if anybody else wants to send anything in, nobody has to by any means, but if you do want to send something in, the details are in the about page on my YouTube channel, so just check that out. You'll find the details there, or email me, whatever. But yeah, there's no obligation, nobody has to do anything, but it's just absolutely fantastic when you kind, generous people do these type of things. It's fantastic, it helps the channels out so much. And as I say, I really do appreciate it, Keith. So again, thank you very much, my friend. Lovely. Absolutely fantastic. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's a little bit different, but yeah, hopefully see you soon on the channel, and we'll make some more content and enjoy this lovely hobby together. So cheers, thank you very much, and I'll see you all soon. Take care, stay safe guys, bye bye for now.